Vehicle number 1. The 1933 Ford three-window coupe. Priced $37,000. According to the seller, this 1933 Ford features a rodline fiberglass body originally built in England, mounted on a 1933 frame with a 1937-style front end. Power comes from a 383 blueprint small block engine mated to a modified turbo 350 automatic transmission. The rear end uses an Auburn 8 inches limited slip differential. Braking consists of disc brakes up front and drums in the rear. The car has a clean title and is built with a mix of aftermarket and vintage components geared toward street rod performance. Location: Glendora, California. Vehicle number 2. The 1931 Ford Model A Tudor. Priced $18,500. This 1931 Tudor sedan is powered by a 1980 Oldsmobile 350 small block engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. The car reportedly runs well and has a chopped full steel body. According to the seller, the exterior shows signs of aging, including a dent in the roof that was previously filled and areas of peeling paint and Bondo that have been partially sanded off. All windows are present, except for the rear. New window channels for all 4 side windows have been ordered. The car could benefit from cosmetic updates, but is also ready to drive as is. The seller is open to trades, especially classic muscle cars from the 1968 to 1972 range. Clean title. Location: Fenton, Missouri. Vehicle number 3. The 1937 Plymouth Coupe. Priced $24,500. Heat. According to the seller, this 1937 Plymouth was custom built by John Shop of Sinister Industries. It is powered by a modified 350 small block engine and is mated to a TH400 automatic transmission with shift kit. It features a full air ride suspension system with stainless steel lines. Interior features include working gauges, functional turn signals, and automatic suicide doors. This car is road-ready and requires no major work at this time. The seller is also open to trades for pre-1972 cars or trucks. Location: Kirkland, Illinois. Vehicle number 4. The 1932 Ford three-window coupe. Priced $43,500. Heat. This 1932 hot rod is built on a TCI chassis with components from the early 1990s. The body is by Redneck, painted black with old-school pinstriping and tinted windows. It is powered by a 350 small block engine with a BDS blower, mated to a TH400 automatic transmission and a Ford 9 inches rear differential with a 3.08 ratio. The front and rear suspensions feature chrome components including a down axle. The air conditioning reportedly blows cold. Additional features include steel running boards, a steel grille shell, and a steel trunk lid. Certificates and documentation are included in the binder. Location: Rockland, California. Vehicle number 4. The 1932 Ford three-window coupe. Priced $43,500. Heat. This 1932 hot rod is built on a TCI chassis with components from the early 1990s. The body is by Redneck, painted black with old-school pinstriping and tinted windows. It is powered by a 350 small block engine with a BDS blower, mated to a TH400 automatic transmission and a Ford 9 inches rear differential with a 3.08 ratio. The front and rear suspensions feature chrome components including a down axle. The air conditioning reportedly blows cold. Additional features include steel running boards, a steel grille shell, and a steel trunk lid. Certificates and documentation are included in the binder. Location: Rockland, California. Vehicle number 6. The 1932 DeSoto three-window coupe. Priced $16,000. This car is claimed to be a tribute to early dirt track racing cars, street legal. Powered by a 1953 Hemi Red Ram 241 engine, turbo 350 automatic transmission. Rear differential is a 1960s CAE quick change with 5 wide hubs. Brakes are aluminum hydraulic drums at all 4 corners. Engine uses 3 rebuilt Strasbourg 97 carburetors. Complete with full roll cage and vintage racing history with paperwork and photos. Clean title, registered and insured. Location: Upland, California. Vehicle number 7. The 1934 Ford three-window coupe. Priced $15,900. This car features a 4.3L newly completed fiberglass body build. Turbo 350 it is powered by a 396 big block 400 RPM and a turbo 350 automatic. The engine was built by a Pennsylvania race shop. It uses a Mustang 2 style front suspension over and a Ford rear differential with a 3.73 with digital traction ratio. The car is claimed to be in roadworthy condition and has been used as a daily driver. Are either new or rebuilt. $15,000. The car has about 1,000 miles Location. On the clock. The seller is only considering New Jersey for a 1969 Chevrolet Camaro with a big block engine. Location: Oyster Bay, Nassau County, New York. Vehicle number 8. The 1939 Ford Deluxe Coupe. Priced $39,500. Powered by a 350 Ram Jet LT1 crate engine with plus or minus 1,900 miles. 700 R4 automatic transmission and Ford 9 inches differential with 4.11 limited slip ratio. Front suspension is a Mustang 2 system with tubular A-arms, power rack and pinion steering, and 11 inches disc brakes. Rear is a drum brake. Other features: vintage air conditioning, tilt steering column with billet steering wheel, speed hut gauges, full sound system with CD and XM. Cosmetic modifications: smooth rear deck, one-piece windshield, rear view camera, halogen headlights, and LED taillights. Rides on 17 inches American Racing Salt Flats wheels. Location: Santa Clarita, California. Vehicle number 9. The 1922 Ford T-Bucket. Priced $15,000. This car features a 4.3L Vortec V6 engine, turbo 350 automatic transmission with shift kit and 400 RPM stall converter. The engine was built by a Pennsylvania race shop. It was bored 60 over, balanced and blueprint. Equipped with digital gauges, the car is claimed to be in roadworthy condition and has been used as a daily driver. Price: $15,000 or best offer. Location: Neptune Township, New Jersey. Vehicle number 9. The 1922 Chevrolet Ford T-Bucket. Priced $22,000. This car has been modified with a 4.3L Vortec Chevy 350 small block engine, turbo 350 automatic transmission, and 400 RPM stall converter. The engine was built by a Pennsylvania race shop. Seller describes it was bored 60 over as very aggressive and blueprint. Two-tone blue equipped with digital white exterior. The car is claimed to be in roadworthy condition and has been used as a daily driver. Sylacauga, Alabama. $15,000 or best offer. Location: Neptune Township, New Jersey. Vehicle number 9. The 1932 Ford Bantam Custom Coupe. Priced $15,900. This car features a 4.3L Vortec V6 featured with a steel body, turbo 380 automatic transmission with a 671 400 RPM stall converter. Dual Holley 650 carburetors by a Pennsylvania race cylinder heads. It was bored engine 60 has a crane roller cam and rocker arms. Equipped with digital gauges, 671 the car horsepower. Is claimed to be in roadworthy condition and has been used as a daily driver. Frame price: polished and smooth. $15,000. Quick change rear differential offer. With 4.70 ratio. Neptune Township, professionally painted New Jersey. With metal flake and clear coat. Features: B&M shifter, VDO gauges, Willwood disc brakes, and TCI transmission. Purchased at Barrett-Jackson, Las Vegas. Location: Apache Junction, Arizona. Vehicle number 12. The 1926 Ford Chevy 150. Priced $32,500. This car features a 4.3L Vortec as a solid engine, comfortable vehicle turbo for 350 automatic transmission. It is painted black with yellow-orange flame stall converter. The Chevy small block built by a Pennsylvania race shop. It was bored 60 over, aftermarket carburetors, and an aluminum with digital gauges. The interior, the car is claimed to be in roadworthy condition aftermarket and has been used as a daily driver. Price: the exterior features $1,000 or best offer and rally wheels with BFG Neptune Township, TA radial New Jersey. Location: Vinton, Iowa. Vehicle number 13. The 1959 Ford Bantam priced $16,000. According to the seller, this 1959 Temps panel van is powered by a 4.3L Vortec with V6 engine, automatic transmission, turbo 350 and a narrow 9 inches rear end. The car is described as a fun ride that draws attention, making it a great choice for car shows. By a Pennsylvania driving around town, the seller notes that the van is in good condition, balanced, and runs well, clean title. Equipped with digital gauges, in Saudi Daisy, car is claimed to be in roadworthy condition and has been used as a daily driver. Price: $15,000 or best offer. Location: Neptune Township, New Jersey.